بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Muslims in India are about 25 crore amidst 100 crore non-Muslim majority. Islamic madrasa and makatib diniyat have vital role to keep Islamic identity, and ratio of population of Muslim in Bihar is comparatively more than in other states. So, the poverty and illiteracy of especially 400 villages in between two dams of Kosi River, where Muslim majorities are living in flood-affected areas, suffering from extreme poverty, ignorance, and lack of basic amenities such as health, care, hygiene, etc. In this district of Saharsa, inhabitant of 1 million Muslim, but not a single female institute. While the proportion of illiteracy among Muslim women stands 95%. They don't know kalima and cannot understand date in calendar, watches, even cannot count number up to 100. Neither differentiate between 20, 50, 100 rupees currency only by color. And knowledge of Islam is quite negligible. In this situation, Jamia Islah البنات Saharsa Trust was found in 2005 after the first visit of earnest Muslim traders from Mumbai to the villages like Tujjar Nagar Bauharwa, Bhilahi district of Saharsa, Bihar, with some noble objectives of education and training youth of the villages in various vocations, self-employment with Islamic tarbiyat system. With humble beginning of Jamia Islah البنات now developed itself, opening its branches up to 101 branches all over the regions. Under this Jamia, an Islamic high school also established, where at present more than 665 female students are taking their regular lessons, besides short-term courses and handicrafts in order to support their parents and families. Likewise, there are some classes for embroidery and sewing machines.
अब 700 लड़कियां दीन और दुनिया की तालीम हासिल कर रही हैं। इस मदरसे में दी जाने वाली तालीम की तासीर उन लोगों के मुंह पर सख्त तमाचा है जिनको मदरसों का मतलब ही समझ नहीं आता। यही वजह है कि कभी झोपड़ी में सिर्फ एक गांव के 1.5 दर्जन बच्चियां ही तालीम लेने आती थी, लेकिन जब से जदीद तालीम के साथ साथ सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट का रास्ता मदरसे ने निकाला है, तो इसमें अब आसपास के दर्जनों गांव के करीब 700 बच्चे कंप्यूटर से लेकर उर्दू, फारसी, अरबी, कुरान, अंग्रेजी, हिंदी, मैथ्स के साथ साथ कढ़ाई सिलाई का तजुर्बा हासिल करने में।
In 380 square kilometer area, this is only one non-co-education institute and the only female institute which serves uniforms, scarves and foods, etc. As their parents cannot afford even 5 rupees a month. This is not because of miserliness, but due to poverty in this area. These people are sending their minor children to metro cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, and for daily livelihood, most of the child labor in India belongs to this area.
क्या नाम हुआ? कहाँ के रहने वाले हो? किस जिला में है? जिला? पापा के क्या नाम है? कहाँ गए थे आप? कहाँ काम कर रहे थे? कितना पैसा देता था? 1,000 एक महीने में, खाने होने के लिए भी? अच्छा।
While 7 to 12-year-old girl childs are working in the fields taking care of animals. But by the grace of Allah, Jamia was a torch bearer against ignorance and powered station of knowledge in this region, enlightening darkness, providing basic knowledge of Islam along with vocational and short-term courses. Now, Jamia in-house enrollment in 13,101 branches, 11,600 students taking higher education in various Jamia colleges around the country. Thousands of have been married in group marriage ceremony. Recitation of full Quran 300 times every day throughout Jamia and its branches is blessing for those who support the mission. Jamia has successfully overcome all odds and developed these backward and ignorant area by spreading education trend. As the patron of Jamia, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Islamia Girls Senior Secondary School says, if you educate a man, you educate an individual. But if you educate a woman, you educate the whole family. Jamia aims to make its female student understand Islam in all aspects of life, by which they can do the best in reforming society and breeding new generation upon good characters. Jamia intends to establish higher colleges for DLEd, B.Ed and MBBS. Dear Sir, Jamia's visionary mission needs your supportive hand in completion of its noble cause. And Allah rewards those who gives in Allah's way in service of Islam. Thank you.